Hey friends, here's a little bit more of my madness. I picked up another chainsaw the other day. I went with my daughter. We drove for like 2 hours to get there to pick up this little, I believe it's a Mini Mac, but I don't see, except for the safety stickers, there's actually no marking on it on either side, but it really does look like a Mini Mac to me. Now, the little trigger safety thing here is stuck inside, and this right here, I don't know where that piece is. Apparently it runs, but the chain just goes continuously, and I don't have my glasses. I'm not sure which one of these things down here is the choke or what. I know this is the on-off button, obviously. Anyway, so that's number 54. But we're not done. There's more fun. Maybe I should bring it, eh? Okay. Hope I'm not making you dizzy. Let me put this down for a sec. There it is, friends. Number 55. Put this in here and we'll bring them to the other spot. Okay, the thing that got my curiosity is I'd never seen one like this. It's a Poulan, and underneath it says Pioneer. So, I don't know. I just figured I wanted to have it. Now, it don't run right now because it has no gas in it, and I don't see why they put a little screw here. But I'll figure it out when I get a bit more time. Won't be right now, though. So, I'm going to drive the van to the other side and put these away, and I'll start this up in a second.